Hi, my name's James Hannan and I'm with
Naomi Joy.
We're from Rise Social Media, where we help you to learn how to market and sell your products or services
Online.
Today we're talking about the 7 E's of marketing and how they are going to help you hack the Facebook algorithm. Imagine that, being able to hack the Facebook algorithm or work with it. So if you like the idea of that, make sure you subscribe to our channel, like this video, and hit the little bell. That little bell will give you a notification every time we give you a new video that will show you how to market and sell online. So how do the 7 E's help you with the algorithm? You see, here's the thing. When you get more interaction, more views, more shares, more likes, and you are actually getting engagement with your community, guess what? Facebook loves that. Twitter loves that. Instagram loves that. YouTube loves that. Everyone loves it, including LinkedIn. So what we're going to show you is that you can use these 7 E's of marketing in all of your social media platforms. And when you do, everything goes up and you get to work with the algorithm, but some of us like to say you hack the algorithm. In fact, you will own the algorithm when you follow these principles.
So let's get into the 7 E's of marketing. The first E is encourage. Now, these kind of posts are the posts that we like to do a lot. It's about inspiring people. It's about lifting people up. It's about motivating people to know that they can be more, do more, and have more in their life.
And the second E is about engage. Our customers and our clients who use this post get upwards of 300 comments, not likes, but comments on their posts when they use this. So imagine what that would do. Now, what an engaged post is, it just creates interest around your product or service.
The third one is educate. So this is where you enlighten people about your products and services. And it's also about bringing massive value to your customers. So you can build that all important know, like, trust and value factor that we all want.
And number 4 is expose. This one creates curiosity. This is that one that gets people thinking, what are they talking about? What's that about? I need to know more. And that expose post really blows up your audience. It gets you customers, it gets you leads, and you want to know how to do that right.
So number 5 is entertain. Now remember that Facebook is a social platform. So in these kind of posts, you want to make them fun, you want to make them interesting, you want to make people laugh, because if they're laughing, they're engaging in your posts.
If you saw some of the bloopers that we do, you would crack up. We might put one of those up every now and again.
Mistake that you're making.
Fatness of the cat, that's not the... Number 6, let's look at number 6. It's about empathy. We always say empathy before authority. This shows your customer, your potential client, your prospect that you care. We love empathy posts. Why? Because it shows your heart. Once you've done an empathy post, you're able to do an authority post. But you can't do an authority post unless you've done an empathy post. It's interesting how it works.
And number 7 is excite. So this is where you share something exciting that's happening in your business. It might be a launch, it might be a special, it might be something new that you're doing. And so these kind of posts really draw people in. They get them excited about what you're doing. Now remember, do not do these posts all the time or you are going to turn people off. You're going to become a spammer. They're going to run away from you. You do not want to be doing that, but we are going to show you how to do these posts in the right way and how often you should be doing these posts.
Now, one of the biggest questions our clients, our followers have is, when do I do these posts? How often do I do those posts? Well, we've put together a calendar for you, free of charge. It won't cost you a cent. All you have to do is click this link. It's going to show you exactly how to and when to put up the posts. When do you do an encourage? When do you do an excite? When do you do an entertain and an educate posts? We've put a calendar together, then you can plan it out, remove all of that sense of overwhelm of wondering when you wake up in the morning, what do I post? I know a lot of people feel that. We used to feel that as well. Now we don't because of this calendar. Very simple to use, very easy, and you're going to love it. Just where do they do that? Click the link below, right? Click that link below in the description of this video and you will have access to that calendar. Now, if you have liked this video, you found it interesting, like the video, press subscribe for this channel and then hit that little bell. That little bell will give you a notification every time we put up a new video that's going to show you how to market and sell your products online. My name's James Hannan with
Naomi Joy
from Rise Social Media, where we help you to market and sell your products online. Have a great day, guys. Bye.